Elephants are big, birdies are small. Let's learn some opposites they learn so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Colors, colors, colors. I love colors. Red, yellow, green, blue and purple too. Circle, heart, triangle, square and star. Welcome to the world of the shapey world. Welcome to the world of shape. Butterfly. Astronaut. Butterfly. Cloud. Dance. Exercise. Fairy. Goggles. House. Identify. Jumping. Karate. Love. Mountain. Nap. Orange. Pen. Queen. Rainbow. Star. Tree. Unicorn. Vegetable. Well. X. Arg. Yo-yo. Boing, boing, boing. Zebra. Elephants are big, birdies are small. Let's learn some opposites they learn so far.